In China today, the rapid interaction of information has accelerated the opening and development of the economy. This is the power of the flowing. During construction of the remarkable Chinese miracles, such as high-speed rails, tunnels, bridges, nuclear power, wind power, and other infrastructures, Suzhou SUNBO Chemical Building Materials Company Limited, with its green and high-tech products, innovatively solved the contradiction between casting fluidity and suspension stability existing in concrete and mortars, achieved engineering's fast casting and solidification, as well as high strength and durability. Those solutions have greatly improved construction efficiencies and provided the best solutions for creating China-made, China efficiency, China brand, and China name card. In 2001, General Manager Mr. Rongliang Mao founded Suzhou SUNBO Chemical Building Materials Company Limited. Up to now, the Polycarboxylate, Superplasticizers, aluminum sulfonated formaldehyde resin-based Superplasticizers, gypsum retardants, deformers and other products developed by SUNBO Chemical have become the representative brand and benchmark in the construction additives industry. From 2001 to 2003, SUNBO Chemical took the lead in realizing industry-scale production of liquid-type melamine sulfonated formaldehyde resin-based Superplasticizer in China, and built a production line with annual capacity of 1,000 tons for melamine powder water reducer. Joined in the Concrete Admixture Association of China Building Materials Federation, and currently is an association governing unit. From 2004 to 2006, it launched the world's newest, the third-generation Superplasticizer Polycarboxylate Superplasticizer, which was independently researched and developed. It established as a teaching and a practicing base for SUST. In 2007, it got a major technical breakthroughs and became the first one company that stably achieved industry-scale production of the powder-type Polycarboxylate Superplasticizer in field. It laid a solid foundation for the popularization of flow mortars in China and for Chinese powder Polycarboxylate Superplasticizers exporting to international markets. In 2008, the company established a technology center. The products were exported to India and the Southeast Asia market, where the customers widely praised. In 2011, the products were sold to the US market. In 2013, it developed and produced powder-type deformers for mortars. The company awarded the honorable titles of Suzhou Green and Energy-Saving Building Materials Technology Research Center, Suzhou Enterprise Technology Center, with the AA level credit enterprise, and the like. From 2014 to 2015, a series of functional products of Polycarboxylate Superplasticizers with early strengths, slump retention and high water reducing rates were introduced by the company. It won the titles of Jiangsu Postgraduate Workstation, Suzhou Famous Brand Product, Suzhou Famous Brand Name, Suzhou Famous Trademark, and so on. In 2016, it received the certificate of Jiangsu High-Tech Enterprises. In 2017, for special cements with Chinese characteristics, SUNBO Chemical launched new specialized powder-type Polycarboxylate Superplasticizers. The company won the honor for Suzhou Zero Complaint Enterprise. Rapid product iteration is originated from SUNBO's scientific spirit of inclusiveness, openness, and innovation. Up to now, SUNBO Chemical has more than 20 patented technologies, editing 6 national and industry standards, and has published dozens of academic papers in industry core journals. Continuous accumulation of applied technical experience plus advanced testing methods enables SUNBO Chemical to study and master the action laws of interaction between construction chemical and inorganic cementitious materials, and to have a good control over the micromolecular structure and macroscopic application performance of materials. Therefore, it has always maintained the leading level of development in the industry. Quality casts the foundation of buildings. Having passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, SUNBO Chemical ensures its high quality by strictly implementing 5S management system and following the IQC, IPQC, FQC, OQC quality control systems. The concept of sustainable development has always been integrated into SUNBO's corporate development. By constantly investing in advanced production and environmental protection facilities, SUNBO Chemical has taken the lead in realizing the scale production and environmental protection among domestic counterparts, as well as supplying products to customers in a fast and stable way. Mature sales and technical service systems enable SUNBO Chemical to provide professional solutions for different markets and different customers in the first time. SUNBO products set good examples for the Belt and Road Initiative and the Made in China 2025 in Asia, Europe and America. From high-speed railways, expressways to super-span bridges and overland tunnels, from city rails to subways, from nuclear power and wind power to our warm homes. Grouting materials, pressure grouting slurry materials, self-leveling compound, gypsum and other high-performance building materials can be found everywhere. For the flow, solidification, high strength and durability of construction engineering, SUNBO Chemical has always been and is willing to be an unsung hero, works behind the scenes forever.